Yes, this video is an introduction to my series of 7 videos of diagnosing and understanding the condition of the 7 tissues of your body according to Ayurveda. Many people think they're healthy because they're eating good, or healthy because they're not taking medication, or healthy because they avoid a certain food. But this is only maybe in our thoughts that we're healthy. We're going to look here at the reality of our tissue. In Ayurveda, there's systems in the body. There's many systems in the body, thousands of systems, 16 major systems, and there's 7 tissue what the body is made from. And this is what we're going to diagnose and understand first in these series, is understanding the condition of this tissues in our body. The first tissue is the plasma, or the lymphatic tissue, the juices in our body, which provides the nutrition for our entire body and nutrition for all of the other tissues in our body. We're going to look at this plasma, which juice, we should say, of the body. It's called rasa tissue, or Sapta Dhatu in Ayurveda. It's like the juice and the liquid of our body. We can see it in the saliva of our mouth. Its waste products are menstruation, and we can see lactation, and we can see it on the surface of our skin. So we're going to diagnose this tissue, it's a very important tissue, first. Then we're going to diagnose and understand our blood, the condition of our blood, not just from a blood test, but whether we're having excess blood, deficient blood, or even toxins or pathogens in our blood. And we know the blood is providing life force and energy and providing oxygen for the entire body. And it's getting its nutrition from the rasa, or the plasma that I spoke about earlier. And then the plasma feeds the blood, and then the blood feeds the muscles, and the muscles, of course, provides the shape of our body, support of our body. And we're going to look at our muscle tissue, our mamsa dhatu, and we're going to see if we have deficient amount of muscle, or excess muscle, or even inflamed muscles, or the condition of our muscles. Then we're going to look at our bone tissue, our asthi dhatu, because our bones are providing support for our body. If we have weak bones, or excess bones, or inflamed bones, we're going to diagnose the condition of our bones in these videos. And then a majja dhatu, which is our nerve system, including the bone marrow, and it fills the spaces of our body, including the bone marrow, and helps with communication between the body. The nerves support the mind, and also help with communication of the senses to the mind. So we're going to look at our nerves, and we're going to see analyze the condition of our nerves, whether they're inflamed, whether they're congested, whether they're overactive, and determine the condition of our nerves. And this is the majja dhatu. And then next we'll look at shukra dhatu, or the reproductive system. And we know the purpose of the reproductive system is procreation. And the tissue is the reproductive fluids of both the male and female. So these videos, I recommend you to take notes and write down your condition of each of your 7 tissues, so you can see the condition of your body and see whether your tissue is healthy or not healthy. And then I will give some suggestions of how to change the tissue. But this video series is not focused so much on treatment as it is on understanding and diagnosing the condition of the 7 tissues of your body according to Ayurveda.